Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make high-protein chicken salad. We'll start by selecting the best protein base. Opt for cooked chicken breast, which is naturally lean and packed with protein. For a creamy texture, swap out some or all of your mayonnaise for plain Greek yogurt, adding a substantial protein boost and a tangy flavor. This simple change makes a big difference. Next, let's explore some fantastic add-ins to further elevate your protein intake. Cottage cheese is a great option, offering a creamy texture and a significant protein punch. Edamame or chickpeas also work wonderfully, providing both protein and fiber. Don't forget about nuts and seeds, such as sliced almonds or sunflower seeds, which add a satisfying crunch and healthy fats alongside their protein content. Now, let's focus on enhancing flavor and incorporating healthy fats. Avocado is an excellent choice, providing creamy richness and beneficial monounsaturated fats. Fresh herbs like dill or parsley, along with a pinch of black pepper, can elevate the taste without adding unnecessary calories. A splash of lemon juice not only brightens the flavors, but also helps to keep the avocado from browning, ensuring your salad looks as good as it tastes. Finally, let's talk about serving and storage. Enjoy your high-protein chicken salad in a variety of ways, on whole-grain bread, with crisp lettuce cups, or alongside fresh vegetables. For meal prep, make a larger batch and store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It stays fresh for up to 3 days, making it a convenient and nutritious option for quick lunches or dinners throughout your busy week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.